Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of fly sneakers for men. You know, those awesome kicks that make you stand out and feel super stylish. Alright, so what makes these sneakers so cool? First off, they looking amazing. Like, seriously, check these out. It's like fashion for your feet. And guess what? They're not just about looks. These sneakers are like a comfy cloud for your feet. Imagine walking on clouds. Now the best part is you have got options. High tops, low tops, bright colors or classic black and white. There is a fly sneaker for every mood and style. You can rock these to school, work or just hanging out with friends. These sneakers are built to last, so you are not just getting a pair of shoes, you are getting a long-term relationship with your feet. To sum it up, fly sneakers for men are the bomb. Stylish, comfy and ready for any adventure. What's your go-to pair? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome shoe content. Catch you in the next video.